In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a group of emails in Gmail efficiently and effortlessly. Whether your inbox is cluttered with promotional messages or you're simply looking to streamline your digital workspace, following these steps will help you regain control and keep everything organized. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to Gmail. Simply enter mail.google.com in the address bar and press Enter. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your inbox, the main hub where all your emails are stored and where we will perform the upcoming actions. Once you're in your Gmail inbox, you'll want to identify the group of emails you wish to delete. Typically, these could be promotional emails, updates, or any category that you want to clean out. To simplify this process, make use of Gmail's built-in categories located on the left side of your screen, like promotions or social. Alternatively, you could use the search bar at the top to find specific emails by typing keywords, senders, or even specific dates. Now that you have identified the emails you want to delete, the next step is to select them. In Gmail, there are two common ways to select multiple emails. One method is to click on the small checkbox located to the left of each email. For a more streamlined approach, hover over the top checkbox at the left corner of your email list and click it. This action selects all the emails that are visible on the page. But what if you want to select more emails than just those displayed on this page? Gmail offers a handy feature for this. Once you've clicked the top checkbox, you'll see a small message at the top asking if you want to select all the conversations matching your search. Clicking this option will select all relevant emails, giving you the power to delete them all at once. With your emails selected, check once more to make sure you've chosen everything you want to delete and nothing you wish to keep. It's always a good idea to do one last sweep to prevent the accidental loss of important messages. After confirming your selection, search for the trash bin icon at the top of the inbox list. A simple click on this icon will move all selected emails to the trash. It's crucial to remember that emails in the trash will be permanently deleted after 30 days. If you want to speed up the process and remove them immediately, you can navigate to the trash folder from the sidebar and choose Empty Trash Now. And there you have it, a neat and clutter-free inbox in just a few easy steps. Keeping your Gmail organized not only helps with productivity, but also ensures important messages are not overlooked. Thank you for joining me today. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful digital organization tips.